soap. The orange one, and it has some blue that is new. Yes. Okay, so it's ready to open because actually I was fighting. Okay, let me open it, guys. Where's it? Oh, let me pause for it to finish, okay? I finished, so I definitely need to mix it a little bit. It's too loud, so I'm going to show you guys how it's loud. So it's beef, okay. Next, we need to add the soap and the washing for the clothes. We add the McDonald's tomato. And mix it, I feel like we need more. Yeah, we need a lot more. We just had a lot because when we got it was a little bit. Now we just mix it. Every time it's a little bit bluish, but okay. You guys see the patterns there. Just a little bit. It goes in. I'll play for the rest. I think for the rest of the one already for the song. Okay, now let's play more. I need to go and get more time. I need to go more so. Pour everything. This is how one different things. Still need to mix this. Just mix it and just mix. And just throw it to the container. And mix it inside with the other one. And then when they're finished, we just grab some rest over here and the rest of the other clip. Yes. Just a little bit. And mix it. My hands. And then it's sticky. I have a feeling it's sticky. So my feet because I can't get my hands. Even if you don't want to touch it, you can touch it when you mix it. Take the cake with the line. Do what I do. For it, we need to be careful it's so sticky. It's sticky, but so fun to do. It's more bigger than the